AI for small business growth. These tools can supercharge your growth, even on a tight budget. Feeling overwhelmed by endless admin work? AI can help you focus on growth by automating daily tasks. AI boosts your marketing, suggesting content, scheduling posts, and reaching new customers in less time. AI chatbots handle customer questions 24/7, freeing your team to solve bigger problems and improve satisfaction. AI streamlines your operations, tracking inventory, automating reorders, and preventing costly stockouts with ease. Ready to scale your business the smart way? Harness AI and unlock your true growth potential. What scaling means for small businesses. This is how you grow impact and freedom without chaos. Growth hits a wall when demands outpace capacity. Scaling smartly is the answer to sustainable progress. Systematization turns chaos into routine. Repeatable processes mean work gets done faster with less stress. Technology brings automation, like tracking inventory or managing schedules, so staff focus on what matters most. Empowering people by delegating builds a resilient team. Growth becomes possible without one person holding it all together. Scaling isn't about more work, it's about more impact. Ready to take your business to the next level? AI Marketing Magic. These tools help you reach customers you never thought possible. Struggling with slow growth or low engagement? AI targets the right audience and delivers fast results. AI creates high-converting marketing copy in seconds. No more writer's block or endless brainstorming. Let AI schedule your posts for you. Reach your audience at the perfect time, every time. Create polished graphics and videos instantly. AI turns your ideas into eye-catching content, ready to share. AI fine-tunes your ad targeting, so your message lands with people who actually want what you offer. Export detailed reports in seconds. Get clear insights to help you grow with zero manual effort. Ready to automate your company's growth? Imagine scaling your marketing effortlessly with AI. Smart customer service with AI. This is how you support customers 24/7, automatically. Every missed message is a lost opportunity, especially after hours or when response times drag. AI chatbots give instant answers, so no customer has to wait, day or night. Automated email replies handle repetitive questions, freeing you from constant inbox checks. Support happens everywhere, web, social, and email, so your customers always get a quick, reliable reply. Faster, smarter support means happier customers, and hours saved each week for what matters most. Ready to provide support, even in your sleep? Automated admin and operations. This step eliminates the busy work that slows your business down. Drowning in paperwork and missed tasks? Manual admin drains your time and energy fast. Automate client bookings with Notion AI so appointments are scheduled instantly, with zero manual effort. Send invoices and process payments automatically. Clients pay faster and nothing slips through the cracks. Inventory tracking handled automatically. No more surprises when stock runs low or runs out. Zapier connects your favorite tools, letting data flow between platforms without manual input or wasted time. Never miss a deadline again. Automated reminders keep your team on track every single day. What tedious task will you automate first? Free your time and unleash your business's real growth. Smarter decisions with AI analytics. Discover how tomorrow's insights can sharpen your decisions today. Too much data, not enough clarity. AI analytics transforms confusion into actionable insights you can trust. Spot hidden trends before your competitors do, and turn market shifts into new opportunities. Easily see which strategies work. Optimize campaigns, increase ROI, and save time with automated analysis. Forecast demand with precision. Stock the right products at the right time and avoid costly mistakes. Deliver experiences customers love. Personalize every interaction using data-driven recommendations. Streamline everyday operations. Let AI identify bottlenecks and boost efficiency across your entire business. What will your data tell you about tomorrow? The future favors decisions powered by insight. Fast content creation and design. Save hours on marketing materials with the power of AI. Stuck on a blank page? AI turns frustration into instant results with just a click. Need a blog post fast? Let AI draft polished articles in minutes. No writer's block, no delay. Design logos in seconds. AI offers endless creative options. Perfect graphics appear without the wait. Product descriptions generated instantly. Achieve consistent messaging and boost your shop's appeal with every click. Menus made easy. AI delivers polished, branded layouts that impress customers and free your team's time. Flyers done in moments. AI crafts stunning event promos so you can focus on what matters most. Ready to automate content creation? See what's possible when you let AI handle the heavy lifting. Streamlined hiring and teamwork. AI can build and manage your dream team automatically, so you get more done with less effort. Sorting stacks of resumes slows everything down, but AI tools pre-screen candidates instantly, moving you forward faster. Coordinating interview times used to be a hassle. Now, AI schedules interviews and sends invites automatically. AI also handles onboarding, setting up training, paperwork, and creating first assignments for new hires seamlessly. Team meetings are transformed. AI automatically summarizes discussions and shares key decisions. No one misses a detail. Managing complex projects is easier than ever. AI updates project boards, assigns tasks, and sends smart reminders automatically. Build a smarter team, not just a bigger one. What could your business achieve with this power at work? Real-life, small business AI success stories. This isn't theory, it's real revenue from real owners right now. This bakery struggled with constant customer calls and keeping up with orders until an AI tool stepped in to help. Automating product suggestions led to a double-digit sales jump. No extra staff needed, just smart AI insights working 24/7. A chatbot now answers questions and handles orders at this cafe, freeing staff to focus on making coffee and serving guests. This agency automated their social media posts, reaching thousands more people each week without adding hours to anyone's workload. Smart review analysis helped this restaurant respond faster to customer feedback, boosting their ratings and booking numbers overnight. AI isn't just for giants. It's the new local advantage, ready to help any small business grow, starting today. Step 9. Getting started with AI tools. Let's build a simple workflow that saves you hours every week. Pinpoint your biggest business bottleneck, like too many marketing tasks or slow customer replies. Let's fix it smartly. Automate your social media. Schedule a week of posts in minutes and free up your time for bigger projects. Set up AI to reply instantly to new leads. Make every potential client feel heard, even while you sleep. Let AI track your inventory. Get alerts when stock is low, so you never miss a sale due to empty shelves. Analyze sales trends automatically. AI shows which products are thriving, helping you decide what to focus on next. Handle admin with ease. Automate everyday processes, reduce paperwork, and make your operations run smoothly. Start small and automate. Repeat as you grow. Every workflow you set brings you closer to effortless scaling. AI for small business growth. Unlock exponential growth, even as a team of one. Running a small business often feels overwhelming. AI gives you a helping hand, streamlining daily tasks and boosting productivity. Finding new customers is tough. AI-powered tools can automate outreach, quickly connecting you with qualified leads while you focus on your business. Managing social media eats up time. With AI, you can automate posting and content creation, keeping your audience engaged with minimal effort. Handling support questions can be a drain. AI chatbots answer instantly, improving customer satisfaction and freeing up valuable hours. AI helps your small business compete and thrive. Ready to unlock your growth? Let's build your future, starting today.